Base Day Vlogs.
Base Day Vlogs.
So we just landed in, where did we land? Umhlanga.
King Shaka.
King Shaka. Yeah, sorry.
KZN.
I haven't been paying attention. Papa Bear picked us all up and we are now en route to Teza so that we can do our Moose track walk. The last time I rode here was, I think I was on an 85. Can you repeat that? Oh, news just in. Well, I guess the last time I was here I was 18 years old, so I don't really remember this track at all. But track walk should be fun. Brett's never seen this track. We showed him a couple pictures, so that's all he has to go for right now. Otherwise, yeah, see you guys at the track when we get there.
That looks sick. If only Johan made our starts like that, eh?
And the track.
Yeah. It's gonna be like the first over 2-minute lap time. It's so deceiving because it's not that it's not big. It is a big jump, but it's definitely not as big as what you're thinking it is. It's because it's on a hill.
It's like zone.
Yeah, but it's uphill. It's not really filled in. Elevation will fuck with the brain. Sashicam Media, where's like the spot that we stand for the start here?
Now I'm gonna be get the whole shot.
Okay.
Don't let me down.
What's that step down you were talking about? Yeah, you're asking me if it's a double. Are they doubling down? It was this jump.
Oh.
It's coming up from so high there. You'll roll it and go, and you'll probably land like here. And then you'll like kind of know the speed. Remember, it's different when you're like on the bike.
Yeah, because that's when you actually have to do it.
Yeah, but it's also can be sometimes easier than what you think.
Easy.
I think I'm gonna just roll it and see how you feel. I mean, you'll know. So we double out, come around up here, another step down.
How's this for roost?
Oh, that is going. Our vests are not gonna even. Your chest protector ain't stopping that.
No.
This
is like-
have a chest protector.
Like bullets.
Yeah, that's gonna be sore. Because everything's at elevation, every jump's a step up or a step down. So like here, you have to carry a lot of speed to get over down to the landing here. Another double!
Why is everything a double? Check how wide the takeoff is. Check how short the landing is.
Yeah, the landing's quite
Narrow. Straight into a 90.
Don't jump off the track. That off-camber turn looks difficult. Come out of the off-camber corner into a bomb hole. It's the bomb crater. They used to blow shit up here. Wall ride.
Wall rider. You can just take a short left there.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, that would be a good line, eh? Past like 5 oaks in one turn. The only section we'll be good at, the sand section. One turn. Oh, one left-hand corner of sand. Love it.
I'm glad it's a left as well.
Yeah, me too. It's way more sand than I thought.
Yeah, thankfully. Way more doubles than I thought.
I also didn't think there was that many doubles either. It's gonna be a doubles kind of day. Finish line table. Everyone's got that finish line table, eh? PE,
Yeah.
Zone 7, Teza. Have we got those slushy cam spots down?
I have. But I have to do it tactically because I'm going to be running up and down the whole day.
Yeah, I might have to film the track in two
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
sections. Ja, Fizzy! Ja. Lekker sien. It's actually a good. Ons kort bietjie information, pre-national. What's Brett and I supposed to do? Yeah,
It's like a Europe track, eh?
the step ups. You're saying in terms of speed there. Are you in third?
Full box.
Third pin.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay, so after we tackle this tabletop with no landing, we just send it down the hill.
Yeah. Into guess what?
I'm guessing a double. Aside from that tree, the roost is going to be the The roost is going to be the worst, I think.
But it's like rock.
Yeah.
Do you have your chest thing here?
I hope so. Because that looks like it's going through you. But these are the rollers that they want at zone. Like this type of...
Yeah.
That would be sick.
Oh, guess what's coming up?
A double, I guess. Track's pretty narrow, hey?
Yeah.
I was complaining about zones quite narrow in some sections. This is pretty narrow.
That's like not even 3 meters in that section there.
Yeah, to a 2 meter landing, basically. Inside double up the hill, double out.
2 fucking massive doubles in a row.
This one's nice because you can over jump a double up the hill. So much easier. Just send this one down the hill, send it down the hill again. It's very outdoor motocross though, eh?
It feels like a European track.
Let's just pretend we're doing an AMA.
Feels like we're just riding in the Drakensberg.
Okay, and then we just got like a long left-hand sweeper. We even got the safari here on the track.
Track safari.
What happens if she bolts across the track while you're sending it? Soz. Looks like it's a double out of the long left-hand sweeper.
So weird because there's almost no doubles.
I guess you just double out of that one and then you're done.
But you've got a long straight here.
Yeah.
It just depends on the landing because it looks like you're going into Mordor because you don't see anything here. I don't know. The landing's probably like this.
It's a blind jump. So see how the elevation is quite scary.
It literally looks like a cliff, but this one's at least got some landing.
You call it that?
Double D track.
So that's our track walk. I mean, our view is stunning. Look at that view. I don't remember this track at all. I don't remember there being that many doubles either. I just remember the whoops. 10 to 15 minutes to learn this bad boy. It sounds like we're doing Supercross tomorrow, but not in a stadium. We're doing Supercross tomorrow outside. Can't wait for Supercross. This step up the hill is massive. We got scrutineering and documentation now. And then when our bikes arrive. Oh yeah, they still haven't arrived.
And we had 3 feet.
Oh man, I'm busy packing in, mate, bro.
Are you busy packing, ek sê?
Alright. Anyway, you have been scrutineered.
You?
Thanks.
Which class is this one?
MX3, Levi. You wanna lift? Good looking.
Race day vlogs!
Race day vlogs!
There the 50s go for Bracky. We are in Richards Bay at the KZN Motocross track. More race day vlogs. National round 4 or 5? I don't. Round 4, round 5, same thing. Just getting a couple of drone shots. We had riders briefing. I think we practiced like third last. A little bit nervous. Track looks pretty gnarly. Not used to the elevation. I think the elevation makes the track quite scary. But we're just gonna send it and see how it goes.
crashes, lank disasters. I tipped over in a corner, then somebody rode over my bike and wrecked the switch to put it back on again. So then we managed to get it started. Then again, stalled it in the sand section. Had to pull the piece of the kill switch button off, bend that open, and then short circuit the switch. And then I just rolled around. Nice. But I finished.
We had our 10-minute practice. Ended up being like 4 laps. Wasn't enough laps to try and learn the track. I think maybe 2 jumps I didn't get right in practice. Starting off with the race, didn't start. Okay, wait, the start was good. I got a good jump. I think I was like 2nd or 3rd on the start. And then on the 2nd lap, I yarded myself in front of Slushy Cam. So I'm sorry for giving you a fright. I'm sorry for making a dumb decision.
My little heart.
I tweaked my bars a little bit. And then I was just mad at myself and tried to catch up. I think I still got like 3rd. So that's not too bad. But I'm very sore. I definitely don't want to do that again. I think I'm going to skip on eating the dirt.
100%.
So we're just going to try have a good clean 2nd race. No crashes. Just bring it home. Obviously we still need to probably learn the track more. Get better. Get that track knowledge. We need that track knowledge for next year, you know. But yeah, I'll see you guys after race 2.
All my life been looking for it. I think I found something to help with easing the pain. This voice inside my head isn't dead. I think it's growing. Soon we will be one and the same. I've been going through the race. Spent all my money on the dog in the bed. I put my heart into it. Check cowbell bed. My life was perfect till it started to crack. No, no. You blame it on the recipe. Do what you want to me, 'cause I could never let it go. You tossed me by the antecedent. Claim it was a tragedy. I think everyone will know. You moved into the taxi, sneak in the back. Yes, I can feel that it is time to go. So we start up the chase. I am out of this place, 'cause I could never just let it go. I've been going to the racetrack. Spent all my money on the dog in the bed. I put my heart into it. Each track cowbell dead. My life was perfect.
Anyone in that today, 2 starts, 2 wins, break the night floor. Levi!
We made it through race 2, a lot better, no crashes. We couldn't get my bars fully straight for race 2, but they were straight enough. Somehow I salvaged the 2nd overall, so that's nice. Very sure gonna recover. I think next time, or next year, we're definitely coming to practice this track. It's very scary when you haven't ridden here and then you just have to send it, and there's just ruts everywhere. And thanks to Autobox, Leon, Total Control, Armor Vision, and Slushy Can. See you at the next national. Peace out, yo.
2, 3, 4.